I could be able to zoom. So these are black spots. We are running towards the shelter.
In my veins, I've been driving this train. Years in this lane, there's no stopping this flame. Cause I came to the game and I changed it to play how I like, rearranged it to my own domain. Yeah, I got what it takes, made lots of mistakes, taking shots, skipping breaks, feeling lost, feeling great, popping off, singing straight, never stopped, never changed. All the squad here to play and I've got something to say, yeah. I work hard each and every day, I get lost in the words I say. I don't push pause, no I push play. I won't stop till I make a change.
Look at the clouds. There's a big difference. Will we manage up the hills or up the mountain? What's up guys? Welcome to the channel. This is TK, the Great Khalid, and we are at the Lake Basin Mall roundabout, headed up the hills. So you see the clouds behind me, it's better, but in front, look in front, that side you have the mountains and all that. So this is the roundabout here at the roundabout, Ambole roundabout at the Lake Basin Mall. That is it. Disciples of Mercy Academy. So this road is under construction at the moment. This is the roundabout. We even have some benches. We have some benches for people to sit. So guys, we are on a mission up the mountains. And look at the clouds. The clouds, they seem to be separating, and it's a mixed feeling or a mixed reaction. So let's cross our fingers that the rains bear with us for today. Damn guys, we are going uphill. Someone might say I'm crazy, but over there is the mosque. That's the mosque here at Mamboleo, and I think we should walk right in the middle of the road so that we get to see both views. Look at this, the Toyota 2024 model. Damn, Toyota 2024. So someone may think I'm crazy when you see me going against the rain, but see these bends, but the winds are blowing going this way, so the cloud seems to like go on this other side, and we are right on top of the hill. We are going up here. So behind me, that's the city, that's the Kisumu City or the CBD. That is the CBD. But for us, we're headed up. So basically here in Mamboleo, we have several high-end hotels and Airbnbs. One of them is here, and it's called the Wigot Gardens. So the school kids are trying to cross, and it's a very dangerous corner because it's a downhill for the cars that are coming on our side. So that's the Wigot Gardens. You turn right. So let's keep going. Let's keep going up here and explore. So this is an evening walk or an evening hike. And the rainy season is right on our neck. So let me cross and walk in between. I'll cross right in front there. So the sun is trying to set, so that's the west and this is east. So the sun is trying to set on the west. Whoa. So the higher you go, the cooler it becomes. That science didn't lie. The higher you go, the cooler it becomes. So guys, we are at the Wigot Gardens area, where we have the Wigot Gardens and the Wigot School of Hospitality and the rest. And it's evening time. We are doing a hike on the main highway, the Kisumu Kakamega highway, and we want to see how far we can go or how far we can climb. So we are testing our fitness and see how fit we are. Yeah, man. Wow. Look at that church. That's a church over there. It even has a Kenyan flag. So there is this roundabout here, top of the hills. So this road this way takes you to the Wigot Gardens and the Wigot School of Hospitality. And that's their signboard. It's around 1.5 kilometers going this way. But as for us, we're headed up the mountains. So this is the road. That's the road that takes you to the Wigot. And we have that roundabout over there. That side we have the Sir Isaac Newton Villa Winga Deluxe Hotel. So this side of Wigot. So Wigot is a Luo word to mean up the mountain. We is up, got is the mountain or a hill. Those who know Luo well can explain or can relate what the Wigot means. So it's a tough uphill, and we want to explore this side of Wigot. It's kind of dark, but that's the life here. You see how green the area is, both sides. So where the rich hide, or where we have those high-end luxurious hotels, this is the environment that you expect. Green nature. So yeah, I'm starting to sweat, guys, because we are going up the hills or up the mountain. It's getting a little bit dark because the sun is being covered by the clouds. And the good thing with this, the Kisumu Mega Highway, is that it's a dual carriage. I don't know where the dual carriage ends, but it starts right in the middle of the central business district of Kisumu. I'd say from the Kisumu Boys roundabout. Those who know Kisumu, where the Kisumu Boys roundabout is, that's where this dual carriage starts, and it heads straight towards Kondele. After Kondele, we have the other neighboring estates, Migosi and Mamboleo. Then we are here at the Wigot area, or the Wigot section, but that's still Mamboleo. So yeah, that's how we wrap up the video, or that's where we proceed with our vlog here at the Wigot. So it's a steep uphill. On camera you can't see it, but on top, look at the clouds. The clouds are separating. See, this side is white, this side is dark, so it's kind of mixed feelings. So on top there we have some luxurious apartments where the rich hide. You see? So nice. Look at that. So this driver is careful or cautious with his brakes. Doesn't want to overspeed, because it's a steep downhill. So that side, that is the CBD. And this little girl here wants to cross. But it's so risky because the roads are meandering. Wow. So many upcoming construction sites, as you can see. Lots of bungalows or mansionettes, call them whatever you can call them. And we have accommodation here, Meg's Palace or Meg's Place. Comfy accommodation. Look at that. It's crazy. If the rain starts here, I don't know where I'll protect myself. I'm daring the nature. Look at that. So let's dare the nature. Look, it's becoming dark. So up the hills or up the mountains, normally there's so much rains. So let's dare nature. The clouds are rumbling. Is it rumbling? Look at that. A lot of eucalyptus trees. Wow. Look at that. Will we manage to reach where we are going? crazy. We are daring the nature, bro. I think we should seek some shelter here, because the rains are coming and we have nowhere to go, so probably that's where we'll make our U-turn. Our mission aborted. We have some drizzle, so Kisumu City. So the mission aborted. We have no choice. Mission aborted, guys. We didn't reach our destination. The rains are here already. But one day we will make it to the Royal Grand Swiss. Hey. Look at the views. Wish I could be able to zoom. So these are black spots. Wish I could be able to zoom. Oh, the rains are here, guys. We are running towards shelter. So guys, we are back in the house, and our attempt to go to the highest point of Kisumu, that's the Wigot area, just failed because of the rain. The climate decided that I cannot trick it, so the rains just fell like terribly. I couldn't film because I was sheltering under a stall, someone's stalls. They call them the mamambogas. So it really helped me, because that's a poshy area, so finding shelter when it rains, it's hectic, or it's so hard because everyone has his own gates and no one can just open a gate to a stranger. So I saw a nearby stall where they sell veggies and fruits, and had some shelter there, and the rains fell for like half an hour or so, and it became dark. I didn't have warm clothes. I just had this shirt of mine, so we couldn't proceed going up the hill, but it was a very nice hike. My aim was to start from the Mamboleo roundabout where we have the Lake Basin Mall. Then we head towards the Wigot Gardens, then up to the Royal Grand Swiss Hotel. That's roughly a 1 hour hike, probably even more because it's an uphill. So going up the mountain ain't that easy. So I'd say around 1.5 hours hike when you start from the Mamboleo roundabout also. So that was my aim, but unfortunately I was too late. It was around 5 p.m. and normally the higher you go, the cooler it becomes. So the highlands normally receive rain, and was surprised that when I came back towards this side of Kondele, there were no rains, but it ended up falling some minutes or so afterwards. So I had to abort the mission. So the mission aborted, the mission unsuccessful because of the weather. So I was thinking I board a matatu up to a place called Kiboswa. That's where I think that's the topmost area. I don't know. Those who did geography can relate, the highest point of Kisumu. But Kiboswa, I think it's the border between Kisumu County and is it Vihiga? You know, Kisumu borders several counties, including Nandi, Vihiga, Kakamega, along that side. So I think it's Kiboswa. So in the next coming edition or vlog, I'll board a matatu up to Kiboswa, then do a downwalk or a not a downstream. It's not a lake. I'll do a down the hill hike, probably in the coming days after you see these videos. So that's my plan. I do a down the hill hike. That's gonna be easy because again doing an uphill, and the way the weather currently is, it's gonna be tough. So I'll probably do a downhill from Kiboswa area up to the Royal Grand Swiss and explore the area. That's one of the poshest hotels here in Kisumu, the Royal Grand Swiss Hotel. So see you soon. Ciao. Hope you subscribe to the channel. Give the video a like. Leave a sweet comment down below on what you think about the video. So unfortunately, our mission was aborted due to the climate. So till then, see you on our next adventures. Ciao.